Hi guys, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make this super quick bun hairstyle, which is super easy, and without talking too much, let's get started. Yeah, that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot to me. Also become part of this charming family by subscribing to this channel and hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. That's all for today. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye, take care.